I have an Jandy Pro PDA Aqualink and we just installed a Pentair 400 kVt natural gas heater. The heater has a spa and pool LED switch and temp settings for both. Can you tell me which setting should be on, pool or spa, and what the temp setting on the heater should be? Thanks.
Hi. My name is Garry. I am happy to help with your heater. In order to give you an accurate answer, please tell me if your Pentair Mini Max 400 NT has the DDTC board or the 6800 board.
Where would I see that?
The DDTC board will have the display window in the center, with 5 LEDs on the left and 4 function buttons on the right. The 6800 board will have a series of LEDs on the top, and 2 round dials for pool and spa beneath them with no display window.
It is less than 60 days old, if that helps.
You will see this on the front of the heater. It is for the heater controls. Is this heater the NT standard? Pentair manufactures several types of heaters, so I need to be sure you have the same one I'm referring to.
LED sun bottom of cover. Service F. Max E therm 400. Heating, spa on, pool on, heater off. Lowered temp numbers above. Service heater, service system. Model number SR400 NA. Stay Right by Pentair.
Okay. That is a different heater than the Minimax NT.
Aqualink RS.
Yes, I got which one you have.
By the way, iPad is making spelling look preschool. Sorry.
Operate the heater in spa mode, and turn the temp on the heater to 104 using the up arrow. You can then control the pool or spa temp from the Jandy PDA.
So leave set with the spa heat at all times and not pool? Right?
Yes. But more importantly, make certain set temp on heater is 104. You must have the set temp maxed out in order to control temp from Jandy. I have to leave for a while, so if you need more help, I will return shortly. Okay.
Got it, so I need to power on the heater, and set temp on the heater board to 104. Then set spa with PDA temp to 100 and spa will hold 100. Pool will also use the spa mode on the heater, but will hold the 85 based on the Jandy PDA setting for pool temp.
Yes. This will work if the wires to your heater from the Jandy Aqualink is a 2-wire connection. I'll return in about 1 hour. Sorry, but I have an emergency situation.
No idea, just give it a try, right? No problem.
Okay. Sorry for the delay, but I'm back. With the remote wiring from your Aqualink connected to the fireman switch connection, you simply leave the heater set to the spa mode, and the temp set to 104. Do not turn the heater off at the heater's keypad. When you turn the heater on and off from the Aqualink, and set the temp from the Aqualink, this is what will control the heater. Try it this way, and tell me if this solves the problem. Thank you.
Will do, and thanks for your help.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit justanswer.com/ythi.